If you've ever wanted a clean and professional portfolio website without spending money on hosting or coding, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a professional portfolio website using Google Sites in 2025. It's fast, free, and beginner-friendly. First, log into your Google account and head over to Google Sites. Click the plus button to start a new site. You can either choose from the template gallery or start with a blank canvas. For a portfolio, I recommend picking a modern template. It'll save you time and give your site a professional layout right from the start. Next, customize the design to match your personal brand. Change the theme colors, update the fonts, and add your name or logo at the top. Then start building your sections: an About Me page, a projects page with high-quality images or videos, and even a dedicated testimonials section to showcase credibility. You can easily embed videos or files directly from Google Drive, which makes the process super seamless. Don't forget to add a contact page. Google Sites lets you insert simple forms, so potential clients or employers can reach out to you directly. Once everything looks polished, click Publish. You'll get the option to use a free Google Sites subdomain or connect a custom domain for a more professional touch. Finally, share your new portfolio website by adding the link to your resume, email signature, or LinkedIn profile. This small step can make a huge difference in standing out professionally. And that's it. You've just built a professional portfolio website in minutes, completely free with Google Sites. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to put it into action today and start showcasing your work the right way.